Are you ready to take your development skills to the next level? In today's video, we're diving into some of the latest dev tools designed to supercharge your productivity. From building modern web applications to improving logging efficiency, these open source tools can transform the way you work. Stay tuned as we explore the powerful Hono framework, Google's protocol buffers, and much more to help you streamline your development process. Project number 1. Hono, a powerful and flexible web framework. Hono is an impressive and lightweight web framework that allows developers to build modern and efficient web applications with ease. It's designed to be simple enough for beginners while providing enough flexibility and performance for seasoned developers working on high-traffic apps. One of the core strengths of Hono is its routing system, which makes it easy to map different URLs to specific functions or controllers in your application. This allows for cleaner code and more organized project structures. In addition to routing, Hono supports middleware, making it possible to add features like authentication, logging, and caching without cluttering your core code base. By breaking tasks into middleware, you can keep your application code modular and maintainable. For rendering dynamic HTML content, Hono has a built-in templating engine, allowing you to seamlessly create content-rich pages. It also has the ability to serve static files like CSS, JavaScript, and images directly from the application, making it a complete solution for web development. Built on asynchronous programming principles, Hono ensures that your code remains non-blocking and can handle multiple requests at once, enhancing overall application performance. Its extensibility is another great feature, allowing you to integrate plugins or add custom code to extend Hono's functionality as per your project's needs. Hono's growing community offers excellent support, with developers constantly contributing to its development and creating plugins to make the framework even more robust. Whether you're building a simple personal project or a large-scale web application, Hono's balance between simplicity, performance, and flexibility makes it an ideal choice for developers at all levels. Additionally, with built-in features like error handling, session management, and even WebSocket support for real-time communication, Hono equips you with the tools needed to build fast, secure, and scalable web applications. Project number 2, protocol buffers. A versatile data interchange format protocol buffers, commonly known as protobuf, is a powerful and efficient data interchange format developed by Google. It is designed to be language neutral and platform independent, making it an excellent solution for applications requiring fast and compact data serialization. One of Protobuf's standout features is its ability to serialize structured data into smaller, more efficient messages compared to traditional formats like XML or JSON, making it ideal for high-performance applications. The core of Protobuf's functionality lies in its simple syntax, which allows you to define data structures in .proto files. These files specify the fields and their data types, which are then compiled into code for various programming languages, such as C++, Java, Python, and Go. This makes it incredibly easy to integrate Protobuf into different systems and across multiple platforms. Once defined, you can serialize your data into compact binary formats, which are faster to transmit and easier to store than other formats. Another strength of Protobuf is its backward compatibility. This means that you can update your message formats by adding new fields without breaking existing systems. This extensibility ensures that Protobuf can evolve along with your applications, allowing you to continue improving features without causing compatibility issues. Protobuf is not only efficient, but also highly scalable, making it a great choice for large-scale distributed systems, mobile apps, and even microservices architectures. Its lightweight nature ensures faster parsing and serialization, which is particularly important in performance-sensitive applications. In conclusion, Protocol Buffers is a highly efficient, flexible, and language-agnostic tool for data serialization. Its small message size, platform neutrality, and backward compatibility make it an essential tool for developers who need a reliable way to transfer data across systems and services. Whether you're building real-time communication systems or simply need an efficient way to store and transmit data, Protobuf provides an optimal solution. Project number 3, Drawio Desktop. Unleash your diagramming creativity offline. Drawio Desktop is a powerful offline version of the popular online diagramming tool, designed to help you create professional diagrams anytime, anywhere. Whether you need to sketch flowcharts, mind maps, network diagrams, or UML diagrams, Drawio Desktop offers all the features you need without relying on an internet connection. One of the standout features of Drawio Desktop is its offline functionality. Unlike the online version, You can work on your diagrams even when you're not connected to the internet, making it ideal for professionals who need to work in environments with unreliable internet access. The tool retains the same intuitive interface as its online counterpart, allowing you to easily drag and drop shapes, connect elements with lines, and customize your diagrams with colors, styles, and labels. Drawio Desktop also comes equipped with an extensive library of pre-built shapes and templates. Whether you're designing technical diagrams or creative visuals, the pre-made templates help speed up the process by providing a starting point. Users also enjoy complete customization over the visual appearance of their diagrams, allowing for changes in font styles, colors, and line formatting to match any project's design needs. One of the key advantages of Drawio Desktop is its privacy and security. Since it operates entirely offline, your data is never uploaded to external servers, ensuring that sensitive or confidential information remains secure. This makes it an excellent choice for organizations concerned about data privacy. However, Drawio Desktop is not limited to just static images. It supports exporting diagrams in various formats, including PNG, SVG, and PDF, which means you can easily share your creations with others or integrate them into reports and presentations. In conclusion, Drawio Desktop is a robust, user-friendly diagramming tool that offers the flexibility of working offline while maintaining a wide range of features. Whether you're creating simple flowcharts or complex network diagrams, Drawio Desktop provides a secure, free, and versatile solution for all your diagramming needs. Project number 4, Express.js, a minimalist web framework for Node.js. Express.js is a lightweight and flexible web framework built for Node.js. It simplifies the development of web applications and APIs by providing a set of easy-to-use tools and features that let developers focus on building their core application rather than dealing with the complexities of server infrastructure. Express.js is known for its speed and efficiency. It's designed to handle a large number of requests quickly, making it a great choice for high-traffic websites and real-time applications. One of its key advantages is its minimalist design, which gives developers the freedom to structure their applications as they see fit. Whether you're building a single-page application or a full-scale web service, Express.js provides the flexibility you need without enforcing strict conventions or rules. The framework is also highly customizable. Express.js supports middleware, which are functions that can be used to process requests before they reach your application's main logic. This makes it easy to add functionalities like authentication, logging, or caching by simply plugging in third-party or custom middleware. Express.js also comes with a powerful routing system that allows you to define how different URLs map to specific functions in your application, giving you full control over how requests are handled. Another key feature of Express.js is its compatibility with various templating engines, such as Pug, EJS, or Handlebars. This allows developers to render dynamic HTML content efficiently, creating responsive and interactive user interfaces without much complexity. Additionally, Express.js supports session management and includes error handling mechanisms to ensure that applications run smoothly, even in the event of failures. Express.js has a large and active community of developers, meaning you'll have access to a wide array of resources, tutorials, and third-party tools to help you get started or enhance your project. Its versatility and ease of use make it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced developers. In conclusion, Express.js is a fast, flexible, and minimalist framework that provides everything you need to build modern web applications and APIs with Node.js. Whether you're developing a small app or a complex web service, Express.js offers the tools and community support to help you succeed. Project number 5, Material UI, your go-to React component library. Material UI is a comprehensive and widely used library of React components that implements Google's material design principles. It provides developers with a collection of pre-built, customizable components like buttons, cards, and grids, which help create visually appealing, consistent, and responsive user interfaces quickly. Material UI is designed to follow the material design guidelines, ensuring that all components offer a unified look and feel. This consistency is particularly useful when building large-scale applications, as it helps maintain a professional and cohesive design throughout. Each component in Material UI is customizable, allowing developers to modify colors, fonts, and layout to match their brand or specific project requirements. One of Material UI's standout features is its built-in theming system, which makes it easy to implement dark mode or other custom themes across your entire application. With a few simple configurations, you can adjust the look and feel of every component to suit your app's design needs, without writing extensive CSS. The library also places a strong emphasis on accessibility. Material UI components are built with accessibility standards in mind, ensuring that your application is usable by people with disabilities. This makes it easier to create inclusive, user-friendly interfaces that work across different devices and screen sizes, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Material UI is highly extensible and integrates seamlessly with third-party libraries and tools. Whether you need to implement complex form validation, state management, or custom animations, Material UI works well with popular React libraries like Formic, Redux, and Framer Motion, giving you the flexibility to enhance your app's functionality. With an active developer community and comprehensive documentation, Material UI offers robust support for both beginners and experienced developers. You can easily find tutorials, examples, and community-driven solutions to common challenges, helping you build high-quality user interfaces efficiently. In conclusion, Material UI is an essential tool for React developers looking to build sleek, responsive, and accessible web applications. Its rich component library, theming capabilities, and strong community support make it an excellent choice for projects of any size. Project number 6, Linutil, your Swiss Army knife for Linux. Linutil is a versatile collection of tools and scripts designed to simplify common tasks on Linux systems. Whether you're setting up a new machine, optimizing system performance, or troubleshooting issues, Linutil provides an all-in-one solution that saves time and effort. One of Linutil's biggest advantages is its compatibility with a wide range of Linux distributions, making it distro-agnostic and suitable for users across different platforms. This ensures that no matter what flavor of Linux you're running, be it Ubuntu, Fedora, or Arch, Linutil will work seamlessly. Its vast collection of pre-built scripts automates routine tasks such as system updates, application installation, and network configuration, freeing users from repetitive manual processes. Linutil also offers customization options, allowing you to tweak existing scripts or create new ones to fit your specific needs. This makes it ideal for both Linux beginners, who can rely on the ready-made solutions, and advanced users, who can tailor the toolset to their unique workflows. It's a highly flexible solution that adapts to different requirements, whether you're managing servers or simply optimizing your personal machine. Another key feature of Linutil is its ease of use. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so even those who aren't seasoned Linux experts can navigate and utilize its full capabilities. From system setup to resource monitoring, Linutil's straightforward commands simplify complex processes, reducing the learning curve for newer users. Linutil excels in areas like automation and system maintenance. It can help automate tasks such as backups, software installations, or performance monitoring, which are crucial for maintaining system health. This makes it particularly useful for system administrators who need to manage multiple machines efficiently. In conclusion, Linutil is a must-have toolkit for anyone working with Linux. Its wide compatibility, user-friendly design, and customizable scripts make it the perfect companion for both casual users and experienced system administrators, helping improve productivity and ease of system management. Project number 7, Quill, a high-performance logging library for C. Quill is an efficient and high-performance logging library specifically designed for C++ applications. Whether you're developing real-time systems, game engines, or high-frequency trading platforms, Quill offers powerful logging capabilities without compromising performance. One of the standout features of Quill is its asynchronous processing. Logging operations are handled by a separate background thread, ensuring that the main application thread remains responsive and unblocked. This makes it perfect for performance-critical applications, where even the smallest delay can affect overall system efficiency. The asynchronous model allows your application to continue running smoothly while logging happens in the background. Quill is designed to be lightweight with minimal overhead. It has a simple API and few dependencies, making it easy to integrate into your project without bloating your codebase. Despite its minimal footprint, Quill offers a wide range of customization options, allowing you to configure log levels, message formatting, and output destinations. You can choose to log to files, consoles, or even custom network destinations, giving you full control over how and where your logs are recorded. Flexibility is another key strength of Quill. You can tailor the logging behavior to meet the specific needs of your application. For instance, Quill allows you to configure different log levels for various parts of your code, ensuring that only the most important messages are recorded when necessary. Quill also boasts a strong open source community. It's actively developed and maintained, meaning it regularly benefits from updates, performance enhancements, enhancements, and new features contributed by developers around the world. This makes it a reliable choice for long-term projects where stability and performance are crucial. In conclusion, Quill is a robust logging solution that excels in high-performance environments. Its asynchronous processing, minimal overhead, and customizable features make it an excellent choice for developers looking to implement efficient logging in their C+ applications. Whether you're building a real-time system or a high-traffic server, Quill ensures your logging is handled with speed and precision. And that's a wrap on today's video. We hope these powerful developer tools inspire you to take your productivity to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tools and tech. See you in the next one.